In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Meet Now button in Microsoft Teams. Our journey begins on the main Microsoft Teams interface. Look for the Meet button, which is typically found in the top right corner of your Teams window, especially when you are within a channel or a chat. This button is your gateway to starting an instant collaboration session. Clicking it will open up a small menu, giving you options related to initiating a meeting. It's designed for simplicity and speed, making it effortless to kick off a discussion with your team whenever a spontaneous conversation is required. This is the first essential step to get your meeting off the ground quickly and efficiently. Once you've clicked the Meet button, a small drop-down menu will appear. From the options presented, you'll want to select Meet Now. This distinct choice is specifically for launching an immediate meeting, as opposed to scheduling one for a future time. It bypasses all the complex scheduling forms, allowing you to jump straight into a call. Think of it as opening a virtual conference room right here and now, ready for participants to join instantly. This option is ideal when you need to gather people quickly for an urgent discussion or an unplanned check-in, making your workflow incredibly efficient. After selecting Meet Now, you'll arrive at a pre-meeting screen. Here, before you officially join, you'll notice a field where you can rename your meeting. By default, Teams might assign a generic name like Meet Now or include your name, but it's highly recommended to give your meeting a more descriptive title. A clear name helps participants understand the purpose of the call